Today's tutorial is... For that project we will use textured foam in fuchsia color, green natural color, or peach color. And another tone of green. We are also going to use the yellow glue contact glue. We are going to use any pen and a toothpick. Those are the materials for now. Now then, before cutting out, we are going to keep in mind that the textured foam must be cut in a particular way. We need to place the mold on top and cut out now. If what you don't want is to mark, then we are going to turn it over to the back. And we are going to place the mold but flipped or mirrored so that the entire project is not upside down. In the case of molds that must be cut into 2 pieces, we must take into account that the right shape of the mold is placed first and then it reflects or turns over to cut the other piece, because we must keep in mind that the textured foam is only going to give us a way to assemble now. Then we are going to start separating the pieces that have clamps. To start assembling our dragon, we apply the glue where the tweezers are located, and then we let it dry. Once the glue is dry, we are going to start taking the tweezers and we are going to assemble them. We are going to take the tips from the outside in to assemble the tweezers. And then in this particular part of the head that it has these 2 little beaks, we assemble the small piece and then the 2 very large parts. And then we finish closing all the clamps on the head part. And we assemble by gluing the 2 pieces together. Then we close all the clamps on the hands of the other pieces and then assemble them also. Now we are going to spread glue all over the edge and then glue edge to edge or contact to contact to assemble the hands. We take the largest piece with the smallest piece and we are going to glue it. We have the piece already assembled up to here. We are going to glue the 2 small pieces together. It doesn't matter if one is bigger than the other, and we are left with that way. We have already put together the whole hand. We just need to glue the finger, which we are going to thermoform the 2 pieces first, and then we are going to close it on the part where the curve is, and we are going to glue it here. We are going to take the 2 pieces of the head and we are going to join them. Then we take the 2 pieces from the trunk and with a pasteur piece apply a shading. That is going to blend then with a cloth or a small piece of foam to finally thermoform the largest piece of the trunk. Once thermoformed, we are going to join the clamps. It looks like this. We are going to take the 2 clamps and close to take the measurement of the middle, same as with the largest piece. Then we are going to join the 2 marks. And from one side to the other, we are going to join the 2 pieces. If we see that it does not close, we take off a little and stretch the foam so that the finished piece is like this. Trumpet and then add it to the head. We take half of the external part again. And then we add a head from one side to the other. So that it looks like this, we are going to take it. Then the body, we take these 2 pieces. We start with the tip and we are going to stretch the piece until it reaches the other end and we close. We are going to assemble the doll. We take the back part from the tip and we close. From one side again to the other side and like this. We put it together. Like this. It will look like dolls now. For the hands we are going to take the part that is left over. And we are going to round off a little. Then we apply plenty of glue and then touch the body a little so that it is marked. And we reinforce the glue there. We go then and place the hands. Then I have already applied the glue on the back along the entire side. We are going to put the wings and the crest of the dragon and the ears and the eyes. Finally, we have this space that is very large. We are going to cut a strip 15 by 3 centimeters wide since we have already applied glue on both sides except for 4 centimeters. We roll first on the part that does not have glue, and then we roll all the foam in the pencil. We also apply glue on the inside and add what we just did. And adjust. What we are missing is the makeup. For this we are going to take an eyeliner and red paint, and with this we are going to paint the nose and the mouth. And then we have our doll like this. I want to show you that with a little creativity and with the same molds, you can make these other 2 ideas of the doll. You can make the little dog that breaks the trunk and places 2 pieces, and then I also placed the 2 long ears for the cow. Then I placed the little pieces on the ears and painted the little spots. And our dragons look like this. Well, I hope you liked this tutorial. Remember to leave your comment, which is very important to us. Yes, encourages us to continue agreeing to give it a thumbs up. Also follow us on social networks, there we can communicate and see each other in the next tutorial.